All right, this is Lauren Cheek from Lornacopia, and this is a follow-up on the swag lamp chandelier conversion. One thing you want to consider is where you're going to put your lamp. This is about a 20-pound lamp, so it had to be screwed into a beam. You ideally want it to be hooked into a beam to carry the weight. That goes through the beam that's in the ceiling, up and through, and is capped off with a nut on the top to hold the weight of this much poundage. So you ideally want to have your lamp anchored to your ceiling. The other thing that you want to consider is if you're going to move furniture or whatever and you want it to be centered, you're not necessarily going to get it centered on your object on your wall. So I have it off by about 6 inches so that it's hanging directly from a beam, just for safety's sake. The other thing I wanted to point out is you can get this sort of shrink wrap for the wiring. Initially, I had that wired together with these little caps, little plastic caps that are gauged for electricity. And then my nephew came and then he got one of those plastic meltable sleeves that you can get at a hardware store, and he joined it seamlessly. So now I don't have this weird join between the original lamp and the swag lamp kit. So those are some tips for you. I hope this helps you out. Just consider before you try to move something, is it going to look any better than the hardwired fixture that you already have there if you have to center it on a beam. All right, well, there you go. Swag lamp conversion, swagalicious. I've had it for years. I love it.